Guys, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, please kindly hit the red button that says subscribe and turn the bell notification so that anytime, any day I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you and God bless you. To my returning subscriber, you are highly welcome. So guys, today na about profession, how jama the work when e dey jama, when e be say anybody can work, like now I wan talk now. So let's start working. Yeah, let me start. Okay, for Germany here, they get so many opportunity. They get so many. When I mean opportunity, yes, opportunity dey. Germany, it's not unlike Italy, where there are no opportunity. Italy, to go to school there, to come take and work, e dey hard. Hardly to see person when e go school for Italy, you come take am. No be say e no dey, e dey, but na few, no many. But for Germany here, for Germany here, opportunity dey. Like if you want become doctor, you want become nurse, you want become lawyer, you want become engineer, you want become road construction, you want become bus driver, you want become trailer driver, you want become a director in any office, in any company, you want become the director, you want become a train driver, you want become a ticket controller, you want to become anything at all, like you want to become, there are opportunity in Germany here. If you go to school, you will have there. If you go to school, there are opportunity to become those professions that I just mentioned of. And more than those professions when I mention self, there are work in Germany. You can work and you will earn a good salary. I see a lot of persons are still here. They don't want to work. They are not working. They don't even care because government is paying them. Okay, no problem. But if you have the opportunity to work, it's better you work. It's better you work if you have the opportunity. If you don't have the opportunity, that is another problem, like another case. But as many people get opportunity to work, they don't even want to work. Me, I don't know why people they run away for work. Why? And they IT, they complain say work no dey IT. But they come Germany here, work they no want work. People when they really get how they call them, when they really know what they can't do for here, most of them they work. Where therefore they do slicing door, a lot of people they work. A lot of our black they work for that company. Many work and they pay them well for that work. Oh, that they pay them well for that work. So opportunity dey. If you get opportunity to work, to go school, may you get that certificate, because if you go the school, you get the certificate, now your salary go even say high pass. The kind thing when you know, who no go the school, you no know am. Wetin you know, who no go the school, you no know am. You will be like saying that you be leader for there. But a lot of us, they get that opportunity, they no want work. I don't know why some people they run for work, or I don't really know why. Whether they run for work or because of the money when they pay them more, that they give the free accommodation and all that too. I don't know. But you they work now, it good pass. Yes. You they work because as you see this Dutchland, they like person when they contribute for the economic. na im dey like. I say a lot of people get opportunity of being the best professional. I won't go even to talk this thing. They have opportunity to become the best, to get the best job. They don't want to go to the school. A lot of people, they prefer to collect that little token. I call it little token. I'm sorry. That is why I use the word. But if you don't have the opportunity, no problem. But if you have the opportunity to work, you try to work. It will help you. It will help your documents. It will help your stay. It will help a lot of things in Germany. It have advantage and disadvantage. Your stay, because you dey pay tax, your insurance, it will help you. But if you depend on taking money from them, your record is there reading. So name is taking is living under the government. Yes. Even you know say you rent an apartment house when you dey stay, you see they contribute because you dey pay tax. You don't know. Yes. Please, guys, what I am saying here is when you have the opportunity to work, try to work. It will help you. There are so many things we don't understand why you don't understand why you were in IT. A lot of things you don't understand why you were in IT. Did you know that a lot of people, some people are working in IT. If the work finish, they stop work. That is if it is job center or I don't know. They are supposed to be paying them, like they pay them because they search for another job first, but they know they paying them because they don't know. Some people don't know the law. Yes. If you don't find work, if the work finish for you before you dey search another job, they pay you. That is the law. But people dey work. Some people know who no go wan show the other one road. Why some no know? Me don't even come Germany here. I don't even come Dutchland. Now I can't even read. Okay, now so. But who know? No one show the other one road. I know a lot of some people when they still work follow white. As the work finish, that they look for another job. They're supposed to pay them every month, but not be complete money. They're supposed to give them half money. When I can't notice am for here, like I can't ask questions. I have to contact person for Italy, say no vex, I wan ask so thing. So for example, now so don dey work since now you no call them, they pay you, say yeah, they give you money, but you not go be full money. But people no know. Some people know, but they know they show people road. Please, guys, if you know road, you know something, try to show your own black person the thing. Try to tell am say see. Even though you know sometimes you go talk, the person fit dey doubt you, fit no believe you, but tell the person make e see ask question. Person when he know the thing. Please, if you know road, show who no know. Yes. I get person when he work, as the work finish, he come dey find another work. He no even dey get money. Because the amount of money when he dey give, now the same thing they still dey give. Now the same thing. Yes. And the same thing. The person they're supposed to dey pay am. Some people don't know the law for IT. If you know, please brothers and sisters, try to show the other one road. No hide am. No be by to stay the country tey that they tey they know something. Some people don stay tey still they no still know and still stay dey work. No be by that one. E just depend on the connection wey you get, who you still jam, when you still know the thing pass. So na so the thing take dey work. Even for Germany here sef na so. So even for Germany here, some people feel say if you just come, you just do amedon, you go just dey work. No be so evil be sef. Those na the person wey still talk that one, na the way when he still say no be that one, no be the person fault. Guys, let's put each other through. Anything you know, try to share am with the other person. For any country when you dey, still tell the person make e still ask question. Please, if you wan relocate come Dutchland, you get this document of when you go fit take work for any European country. There are opportunity. Please, that place when you dey, when you know say work no dey, comot for that country. Take another bold step. Take another bold step. Go look for that thing wey you know say you dey find, that work, and you go get am for that country. Better work. If you fit get patient, go the school. Even though you no wan go school for the beginning because of say you no dey you no get you no dey buoyant enough, to take the expenses and all, you can still work without you never still go school. I did a video like that. But if you get the opportunity to go school, you go school. E go help you. If you go any course when you read, na your salary go high pass who no go the school. Yes, na so Germany here be o. Germany here be. Germany here na so Germany be. If you know road, try to show the other person when you no know. Try to show am road. Please, e go help. See that my friend, that when I tell you say he work, when the day come die. You know, so they're supposed to dey pay am. They not pay am before he can't get another job. Now when me come reach here, now me come now say they supposed to dey pay am o. Because the amount when he tell me say she dey receive, that supposed to dey pay am till go get another job. Yes, some people no know this thing when I just talk. Why some people know, they no want tell the other person. No good. If you know road, try to share am with another person. All of us, we are one, we are the same. Please, if you know road, try to show the other one so that make that one knows, okay, this thing, see as that they do, not be by take for country that they tell they know the law and the things when they happen. Even though some people they when they come, when they never stood say because of who they don't me go with, who they don't communicate with, the person don't see that one don't sit for here. When they communicate, then when they come they will get experience than person when he does sit. Just depends. Just like that. Please, let's help each other. It will go long way for us. Let's help each other. Let's help ourselves. Any information with them, wetin we know, let's share them together. Please, guys, we end this video here. Do drop your comments and let me hear your opinion. What you think about your opinion, your opinion. You are free to drop your comments. Let me see. Guys, subscribe to this channel and always thumbs up my video. Please, guys, support me by sharing this video, by introduce my channel to your friends, to family, your anybody, to introduce this channel to the person. You are really doing me a good favor. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much, and God bless you all. Stay blessed and have a nice day. Bye bye.